City and Guilds Training provide funded commercial and apprenticeships training in lots of different sectors, and construction is a target sector that we're really going after now. So it's important that we're here to collaborate and understand what that skill requirement is and how we can then respond to that in terms of training solutions.
Everybody coming together, there's a really good atmosphere at the event, there's a really good energy involved, which is exactly what we need. We all need to be working together in partnership with each other, and I honestly think that we need more of this.
Bringing industry together effectively. We've got all sorts of different representation attending as delegates, so there's lots of conversation from lots of different industry knowledge forming and knowledge share and skill share really. It's been a really good engaging event, lots of collaborative discussions around current and future skills needs within the construction sector.